here. I'm so glad you guys can make it. Come on, I'm going to show you guys my favorite room in the house. It's my toy room. This is the best that you'll ever get to see it clean. Here's the arts and crafts. We love to color and tape some stuff. Over here is the kitchen. We like to make french fries or pancakes for the morning. I like to make my mom some lattes. Over here is my Barbie dream camper. It's super cool and my Barbies love to hang out in there. Here's my yearbooks. I just finished first grade, even though my dad was the worst teacher. Over here is the dollhouse. She loves to cook. She cooks all day and they're gonna have some nice dinner. Here's the claw machine. We love to win prizes from there. Here are all our games, like mapping games or puzzles. Over here are the arts and crafts, cool stuff like markers and stamps. Thank you guys for coming to my house and seeing my favorite room in the house. Thank you. Hope you come back soon. Bye!